Good morning, beautiful people. How are we doing? Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Sorry, I was eating my rice cracker with egg and peanut butter on it. Very good. How are we all doing? Hope we're all looking after ourselves. Why? Oh, there it is. There we go. Sorry, I thought our YouTube was not functioning. How are we today, guys? Sorry, I think I've got my marbles? Jeez, I'm all over the bloody place this morning. How are we doing? Hello, Cherry Brother Master over on Kick. What's up, Captain Hook, Brother Naughty Storm, and Sabaresco. Did I say that right? I've got a stinking cold, but otherwise alright. This is what you need. Lem sip. Mix that lemon, honey, and ginger drink. Slam that back, and you want to get one of those vitamin waters. It's I don't know what the color is called. I think it's a turquoise one, and the drink is white. And then you slam that back, and then you have a sleep. Yo, what up, Sadvik? How we doing? Let me just put my wallet and my keys away. Sorry, I've been all over the bloody place this morning. Finally, I'm on. But yeah, let me just put these away, and then we can get to the nitty gritty. Okay, my goodness. Goodness gracious me. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are we all doing? How are we all doing? Whew. Yeah, the lemonade vitamin water, I usually smash one of those back too, my bro. Those are pretty good for like hangovers too, but I don't drink, so that was a long time ago. I saw one of your viral reels and it came here. Just wanted to let you know you're an amazing person. I'm from India. I appreciate you, my G. My brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Good morning, the avocado. I've started playing Overwatch 2 again, and I'm in love with the game again. Been calling in to see our IDD quite a bit, just to ask him about some strats and everything. But now that there's a new hero coming, and it's actually what the kind of type of hero that I want to play, and DPS spec, I'm actually gonna try and send it with her because I play a lot of tanks and the supports more. I'm no good with DPS heroes because my aim is not good. Yeah, she looks sick. I love her design, eh? I love her design. She looks badass. Mm. Yo, Dark Shady J, thank you for the Optimus Prime and getting us started for the day, my friend. Appreciate you, my brother. I'm just messaging my uncle to see how much tickets are for Jiu-Jitsu tomorrow. Yeah, had a bit of family stuff going on too, chat, which is kind of ratchet. Unfortunately, the cousin who was put in one of the family houses is selling it. Yeah. Not the best thing to know, I'll be honest. I wish I could F5 him on the concrete, but yeah, it's pretty wretched. Cheer, Dark Shady, appreciate you, my brother. So we'll just finish this apple and then we'll get into the carving, eh? So we'll finish the face today. And then our next job is to clean right around the carving, okay? Right around. Yeah, bro. Tattoos common in Maori, yeah, they're called moko. It's mainly all over the body, on the arms, the legs as well. The face is called a mataora, and the one for the ladies is called a moko kauai. Hey, what a myth. Hey, myth, appreciate you, my brother. Nah, cheers for dropping in always, my bro. Especially when they... Yeah, bro, that's what it is, unfortunately. Cheer, brother, myth. How's, I keep missing... Like, Zed doesn't stream much on Twitch anymore, eh? I think he's over on Grove Street. I'll just finish this and we'll start. Do you also do pyro? Nah, bro, we don't do burning. I've watched it, but... Nah, not us, my bro. Hey! Hey! Hello! Sorry, baby's outside. Oh, 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 oh. Put her down here. His big chunky legs are getting strong, my girl. Sorry, she almost went off the little lip. Ciao, brother Cliff. You have a good day too, my bro. I had 3 days on green and 2. Oh, okay. The dead run. Yeah, bring it by me. I'll get it. Stay by me. I won't start carving though. Hey! Just gotta watch my friend. Hey, baby. Hey! Should I just pick you up, eh? Okay, we'll carve soon. I'm just gotta make sure baby's all good. Hey! Hey! What are you moving? Kei te neke koe. She's looking at the chats right now. Yo, Flixel04, thank you very much for the gifted, brother. Okay, thank you. Hey. Kapai. She said thank you. Just released the first ever Maori weapon to 5M full on detailed tire. Oh, nice, my bro. What server are you on? You gonna watch and learn? We won't be carving it all around, baby. Oh, you're moving quite a bit now. Here's your monkey. Here's your monkey. And legs are getting strong, girl. Kei te kaha haere nā, wai. She's, I think she's teething again. Her top ones are coming through now. So she's got the 2 bottom ones already. And now the top 2 are coming through. Keep going like that. I appreciate you, brother. I'm glad you enjoy my bro. Remember, if you do have any questions about it, I'm always here and willing to ask. Is that your child here? This is our 3rd baby. Hey. Our eldest is home today. We got parent-teacher interviews today. And our 2nd, she's gone to school. I've heard of Taskmaster. The thing is, I don't watch TV. I watch Burnt Peanut. I think I watch Burnt Peanut more than real TV. Do they go to different schools? Yeah, pretty much. I won't say where though, just in case. For a few local. Oh, nice, my bro. Gee. Yo, Thunder, thanks for the 62 months. Didn't you just resub yesterday? I'm sure you just subbed yesterday. You right? What you doing? Sunbathing? Get out of the sun before you get purple. Oh. Baby, don't forget to vote for me. She's moving, chat. Wedding job was supposed to be hectic. Ah, it's all good. Twitch tried to give me an ad, so I had to double check. Uncle's in the chat. Wanna say hello to Uncle? Little duck duck. Hey? Scott baby here. This photo's gonna look really weird when people watch it because they're gonna think, is he talking to himself? Hey. Oh, there we go. Kapai. Ia. Ia wera kōrero. Karanga mai he kupu. So we'll start soon, chat, but for now I'm just gonna chill in. The last thing my niece is here right now is a baby. Shall we show you? Just to be that guy, shall we? Hey, Yowie, hey, okay. Hey. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Auntie. We got the same nose. Hi. Grab the camera. Hi. He's one of my wires, chat. Thank God she's got her mama's looks. She's got my nose though. Flat as can be. Bro, she's growing heaps, bro. She's, yeah, trying to crawl now. She's a yapper of doom too, monkey. And it's just about 2. Cheer, brother Paddy. Yeah, so 7, 5, and, well, 7 as of yesterday. Hey. You look like one of those English policemen with this hat on. Okay, bye. Bye.
Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Dada. Dada. Not even one look. Okay. Not one look, chat. Not even one. But those bright eyes, yeah, that's her, my bro. She's a little fatty. So she is our heaviest baby we had, and the longest. So our oldest daughter, she was born like a couple weeks early, but it was within the full term range. So bit of a unique story with her. So my wife actually went over to support her brother, because him and, well, ex-baby mama now, they were having their baby, like my niece, and like a couple days before that, my wife was in pain, and I was concerned big time. Obviously, I'm a big worry wart myself, and went to the midwife and asked, something's not right with my wife, or my girlfriend she was at the time, before I upgraded her title. Anyway, yeah, guys, nah, something doesn't seem right, because she was saying, no, it's fine, this is normal. And there was one night where she was like, oh, like it feels sore, you know, and I think you should go and see your brother. I think you should stay here. And one thing about my wife, she didn't listen to me, and she went. And then the weekend of that week, I get a phone call 6 in the morning. You gotta come to Whakatane. Baby's coming, but my half asleep ass thought it was the niece. And she goes, I just went, oh yeah, all good, stay there. And she went, no, our baby's coming. I went, oh, I fucking told you to stay here. And so our niece was born Saturday morning. Our daughter was born Saturday evening. So they share the same birthday. And then with our second daughter, she was born November on the 20th, on the 11th. So our eldest is 10 of August. Our daughter is 11th of November, the second one. And she was born on at 8:20. So it's like 20's her number in her birth thing. $8.20 at 2020 in the year of 2020. So yeah, we did 24-hour clock and it was 2020. So that's her with her unique numbers. And our now latest baby, she was born on the same day as one of her big cousins. So our kids share birthdays with their cousins, except our middle girl. Should we call her the Scorpion Queen? So yeah, that's pretty much the birth dates of our kids. Oh, like the unique birth moments, I guess. Jeez, that coffee tastes weird. So yeah, just a little bit about me in terms of like fatherhood chat. I love being a dad, man. It's something I've always wanted to be. But you know, not rush into it like an absolute clown. But it's something I constantly thought of as a teenager, like, fuck, what am I gonna be as a dad, you know? That was something I always thought. Yo, thanks for the tweet. What the hell, Nicatude? Thank you for the 20 bomb on kick, bro. Oh, crikey. Ah, thank you, brother. No, it's just, yeah, that's my baby's unique times. Like, time and birthday. You didn't have to do that, brother. Thank you very much, though. How you been, brother Ed? No, I love all that stuff. I know, but still. Thank you, bro. Genuinely, you already know, brother. Thank you very much, man. Thank you, thank you. Pretty crook at the moment. Oh, no, my bro. Too much card breaks. Hey, man, you're the most wholesome YouTuber I've ever seen in a while. Sure, brother Crizzy. Sorry I missed your comment like twice, my bro. My bad. Yeah, we're trying to send it on YouTube more, my bro. I really want to. So we'll see how we go. See how we go. Yeah, we got parent-teacher interviews today, so I don't know if I'll be on that long today, if I know. Maybe like till 11, maybe. And then I gotta go and see with my oldest cousin and my oldest sister. Shares it with my far out. Who do I share my birthday with? Nobody. Yeah. Oh wait. No, I do share it with someone. I just can't remember who because I'm a goldfish. I shall watch here too then. Hey! Cheers, my bro. Yeah, I'm getting that WoW hardcore itch again. So I think I might start playing it offline. I want to start sending it on Overwatch again. Because you know me, chat. Blizzard titles, all day. Especially with the release of Vendetta. She looks cool. I just mess heavy with characters who use swords and DPS role. Hey, I remember seeing you the first time on TikTok a few years ago. I've been following you ever since, and I just wanted to say I'm so proud of you and how far you've come. Just wanted to ask if you have a PO box. I have custom rugs. I'd love. Can I share you on my Instagram? Bro, please tell me you record your stuff and you do, you know, when you finish the rug and you grab the shaver, do you do those things and you shave the ends, bro? Oh, I love that part. I'll tell you what, my bro, when I create a PO box, me and you will do a trade. I'll give you a carving for one of your rugs, my bro. That only seems better than just, you know, sending something to me. We'll do a trade, brother. Okay, now our mouths should be angled. Yeah, well, can someone put the Discord in? We'll have a yarn, my bro. We'll have a yarn. I think I'm gonna be doing tickies for a while too, chat, because I really, really am vibing with tickies right now. And I also share my birthday with my mother-in-law. Oh, cheer! Fuck, there's someone else who shares my birthday with me, but I don't know who it is within my family. Oh, that one, eh? Don't even know. There's someone, I just can't remember who it was. Yeah, I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, at the moment, my bro, I don't have a PO box, but it is something I want to sort out. It's just hard to find the time to go to the post office and ask right now, because we're in the part of the year where the girls need my attention the most, and especially with my daughter, the second born. She's competing tomorrow. So my daughter's got her first jiu-jitsu comp tomorrow. Just a little good introduction. It's like a funsy comp. So she's been training all week. She's yeah, she loves arm bars and triangles. But she can't do triangles because she's still little. Hey, Bit Life, how you doing, brother? Show that they can remember for months. Oh shit, what else? Or what's an animal that don't remember for ages? Because I'm definitely not a goldfish then if they can remember. Yeah, chat, so today will probably be a double feature today. I'll try and go live this evening as well. I just followed your Instagram, bro. My main page is rugby. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'll probably see it too, my bro. Just earned me as a new subscriber. Crizzy! I appreciate you, my brother. Love you. Yo, what up, Dome? Nah, I appreciate that, brother. Straight up. I'm gonna go and shoot another video today. I got a comment. Today. I saw a comment on my Instagram page and it asked me, and it said, it went like this: what is something considerate I can do for my partner? And I saw a comedic angle to that question, so I'm gonna go film it today. I don't want to say what it is. I don't want to give away the surprise, okay? I mean, I could if I wanted to. Who wants to hear it? Yeah, I'll just tell you, Siri. There was one answer that popped in my head when someone said that, and this is what I thought of. And I will let you know, okay? So, someone dropped into my one of my posts and asked, what is something considerate I can do for my partner? And then I thought to myself, the most considerate thing you could do for your partner. No, I'll save it, eh? I don't want to give it away. I'll save it for later. I think you mentioned you had a Discord. Yeah, exclamation mark Discord, my friend. Morena, chef. How you doing? Who do you make stuff for? For fun, revision. Sometimes I sell them or just give them away. We have to carve Peepo the frog, though. That's probably the only outside of Whakairo that I've got to do. So to celebrate our nomination, if you haven't already, whānau, exclamation mark awards to go and vote for us in the Streamer Awards. So yeah, we got voted for by I don't know who for the Streamer Awards. And if you can, go through and chuck a vote for your boy. It would be much appreciated. Come on, voice. Here we go. I'm not even sure when the votes finish, eh? I'm guessing soon. Yeah, there's some pretty nice people in the category we're in. Whoever wins, all power to them. Make sure you vote for... Made sure to vote for you. Got my friends to do so. Hope you win, man. You deserve it. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we'll definitely see what happens on the day, my bro. Genuinely, bro, it's just an honor to even be, nominated. I just hope, with this nomination, it lights the fire within streamers that were in my position when I started. I started from 2 strings and 2 nails, Yeah, I voted for Nanny too. I voted for Puzzles. I didn't want to vote for myself because that's weird. But yeah, I voted for Nanny as well. Oh yeah, you picked up your wifey, eh? That's right. Hope she's recovering well, brother. This needs to be taken down a bit. Rebecca Black. Wait, isn't she the girl that sings that Friday song? Wonder where she is these days. She's still singing? I wonder. I just wanted to buy a lathe and get into wood carving. Oh, and turning, bro. I love watching turning, wood turning. Really satisfying to watch, my bro. That's sick, brother. If you want, my bro, I don't know how often he streams it, my bro, but go and follow a guy called Texas Hula. He is also a woodworker as well, who does a lot of wood turning. Maybe he can help out as well, my bro. It's hard for me to catch him these days just because of time differences. But yeah, he's like one wood turner I know on Twitch. Wait, can I ask how this channel has 1.7 million followers? People click the follow button. There was a big moment in my stream back in lockdown, basically. Okay, yeah, we still got to think about what design we're gonna do, eh? So let's come back to the waha. We'll just clean up this edge here, and then we can focus more on getting that clean. But all in all, this thing is ready. I'm still wondering if I want to roll the mouth, or just leave it as is. Yeah, check out a guy called Texas Hula on Twitch. He does a lot of wood turning. Does making fantastic Maori wood carving, and he is just a chill dude. That's why he has followers. So Morna, brother. Hey, share links. Morna, my bro. Bear here. Yeah. So this is one variation of a mold that you could do. Normally with tiki, they'll roll the whole mouth, like all of it. I'm just wondering if that's what I want to do too. Like, don't get me wrong, it looks nice the way it is, but then again, I think about the other versions of it, and it gets the juices thinking, the creative juices. The chronicles of a craftsman who thinks of more things than one. Inside the mouth is too sharp. Oh, that's all good. We're going to put a bevel in there. I think I might roll it, eh? Yeah, we put a bevel along the edge of the mouth. Well, we have to. So, just looking for a chisel. Yeah, bro, when I'm carving, bro, I'm often thinking of more than 5 things. It's just something that's always been, it's just something I've always done. Like, what if I did this, what if I did this kind of thing. Every time, chat, every time. Here we go. Yeah, might roll it. Big might. At the moment, it's a thought. Whether I do it or not, There's another question. Let's see the last few streams. So what we're working on right now, we're kind of coming towards the end of the molding in general of this piece. So just working on the mouth at the moment. Working on that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna roll this. That's too. Oh. See what happens when you like more than one mold? Every time, chat, every time. I hope everyone went and voted for Brock's Streamer Awards and deserves the win. He got me through COVID lockdown and is the most manaakitanga out there. Hey, all good, brother. We all got through it at the end, eh? Genuinely, within the channel, it was a team effort. I will never say it was just me, because that feels weird. Sorry. I posted my arcade and IRL channel. All good, brother. I'll just check it out soon. Which reminds me, I need to do my daily catch of the day on Pokemon. I have made my decision. Brooks, I create more work for myself _IR. I am him. That is me. Oh, bloody ingrain. Alright. Just created. Okay, we're not quite finished now, because I just decided last minute that I wanted to mold the mouth and roll it over. We'll have to do the same with the brows too. They can't have that sharp edge. Well, they can, but you know. Actually, we got to get rid of it, alright? So it doesn't look so straight up and down. Let's try and get rid of its nails so it looks better. I just decided then and there, my friends, then and there. Aye, the law be on my side. Mark, and you are a beautiful human being. Last minute decision was made. And I'm happy with it, alright? I am happy with it. Hey, bald llama. There we go. Okay. Can you see the difference now? It's given us more room to play with. In terms of like this section here with the mouth. So we're not limited on space anymore. I didn't do that. I did it purely for the look. It's like transmog, eh? Transmog and wow, all for the looks. All for the looks, my friends. All for the looks. What's up, Jig? Yo! Boring little bee. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome to the hive. Welcome very much, bees community. Kia ora. My name is Brox. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver and welcome on through. Hope you had a beautiful stream and appreciate you for bringing all your community once again through to the stream. My name is Brox. Kia ora. We are doing a bit of Whakairo today. And this is what we've been up to. This is called a tiki, T-I-K-I, and we're coming to like the home stretch for this piece before we think about designing it. But once again, kia ora to everyone that's come through. Oh, you're from here too? Kia ora, Tok. Is it Tokunin? Che, welcome on through. Tread the kias. Kia ora, kia ora. What were you doing on stream today? Where did you start carving? Back in school, brother. Well, my uncle ran the classes and I just went in out of curiosity because it was the uncle. And well, come to discover that I had a natural knack for it. And my uncle kind of took me under his wing, nurtured me, guided me through the years I was at school, like even like outside of school hours too. Hold on, one must go and be a parent. Wonderful Woodard, I see, recommended you to raid. We happy to be here. Hey, appreciate you. Half time. Sorry, someone's just crying because she has to do homework. And Tiki God of my money is my room. In my room, he doesn't work. Ponyo, a big hug for me. What were you streaming today, B? Also, Malibu Insomniac, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, Malibu Insomniac. Yeah, my daughter thought because it's teachers only day she didn't have to do any schoolwork. And she's throwing a bit of a hissy fit. You can scare her at the window, eh? Because I'm that. She called me a dick for scaring her. Yeah, she's got parent-teacher interviews today. I never like those, man. Because I'm scared, eh? Just scared of what... I guess I'm scared of the the words I'm always scared to hear is she's not doing too good at school. That's always a big fear of mine as a parent. Because then I'll feel like I've let her down as well. Because I was like, fuck, homework. I didn't do that when I was at school. See, because she goes, didn't you do homework? I mean, I got it, baby, but I went out to go and ride horses and go and have races in the field on the sheep. I was a bit of a slacker. But somehow I passed high school with excellence. Finished NCAA exams. Oh, true. Yes, I remember my NCAA exam grind. Good on you, bro. Good on you. All done. GG's. GG's, bro. Yeah, but I remember doing all of that, the NCAA. Fuck. It's always nerve-wracking doing that stuff. I remember when I was in science and I got hit top of the class. Even I was surprised then there was someone that how do I say it? There was someone that protested it. And then the teacher kind of goes, okay, what's the third element in the periodic table? Said, oh, I know that one. And then he goes, you. I said, oh, it's arsenic. And then the teacher goes, that's why he got it. Because he knows everything. I said, how do you know that? Because they go to me, how do you know that? I said, oh, because it's got the dumbest name. And I was like, oh, it's just hydrogen. It's like, bro, can I remember the periodic table now? Hell no. I swapped it for everything wood. Yeah, the reason I went so hard at high school is because my cousins in my generation, they all dropped out. And one thing about me, I wanted to be different to them all the time. I was not my grandmother's favourite for nothing. Yeah, so out of my generation, only me, and out of me and my 3 cousins, I was the only one that ever graduated high school. And my nan always used to gaslight my cousins with that line. Because she was very straight up, a very honest lady. Because they go, you just don't love us, ain't it? No, I just don't like how fucking useless you are. See me, I used to try to gaslight Nan, and she told you the truth. Because my Nan is a teacher as well, or she was, for 54 years. And she took education very seriously. Very seriously. It's like, what do you expect? Nan's a teacher. You definitely got my vote. Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate you, my bro. May you be blessed with no minute wasted while looking in the fridge and grabbing nothing. We all do it, my friend. We all do it. Let us overcome the temptation of the fridge whilst grabbing nothing. Sorry, this part is really tricky to do because we're going against the grain. So our tree, the grain of the tree is going this way. So it's going up from this section on this side, it's going down. So yeah, there's a bit of a grain change there, unfortunately. But you know, we work around it like we can. Voting for you, my dude. Thank you very much, my bro. Make sure you vote for Peanut for best VTuber. Why? Because he hates it. That's the best reason why. Went straight to the voting site. Oh, thank you. Yeah, like I said before, it's a big honor to even be nominated. I just hope with, you know, this nomination that it shows that, you know, all the streamers here and little old Aotearoa and to every Polynesian streamer out there as well, to every other streamer, that, like, people in general, I hope it, you know, lights a fire within them. If I can make it from 2 strings and 2 nails, you can too. Don't let anyone doubt you. They're just jealous because you're trying. While they sit on their asses and watch from the sideline. They never let anyone tell you you can't. That goes for everyone that can hear me right now. We ain't only about sheep and Lord of the Rings. Hey, I'll take the Lord of the Rings bit. Because we are currently reading The Hobbit. We need to finish that book this week, chap. Or early next week. So we can start Lord of the Rings. I have become a reader on stream. We had a senior project in high school. That was our final project for the entire school. Carver, 86% on it. That was nearly 15 years ago. Far out. How old was I 15 years ago? I can't even... Wait, I'm 34. So I would have been like 19. I gotta visit... I need to go visit with the workshop too. That's definitely to do for me as well, man. I went to the one up in Auckland, but they were saying that it's nothing compared to the one in Wellington. Like, it's cool, don't get me wrong, but yeah, definitely got to go to the one in Wellington, man. What is your favourite wood to work with? One that I don't have to pay for, brother. And I say that in the most genuine way possible. Free wood, my friend. Free wood. That's the best response ever. Oh yeah. But a majority of the time where I normally get my timber is from the wood recycling centre here. So they go around Rotorua to like buildings that may be, you know, condemned or they gotta go kind of thing. Some of the old heritage buildings that can't be saved anymore. And but the cool thing about them, they don't put timber out that may have been exposed to asbestos. Because you know you got to be careful with all these old heritage buildings too. Or with heritage timber as a whole. Because you get that later on down the line, it's going to be a problem. So a lot of these old fellas got sick, eh? But yeah, majority of the time, the dude that runs the place is a good dude. Well, on a first name basis. Hello, I was in the shower. Now I feel fresh. How good, eh? But you know what the worst thing is after a shower? When you need to take a number 2. It's like you wasted all those moments in your life scrubbing your ass to only ruin it straight after. Kia ora, brother. Kei te pē a koe, my fellow flightless booty. Hey, kia ora, my brother. Kei te pai, my bro. Kei te pai. My brother. Yeah, so, when I first went to this wood recycling centre, I always tell this story. I was looking for some rata. So rata is this timber here, but one to make a taiaha. Now a taiaha is similar to an English 3/4 staff. However, ours is not thrown. It's used in close quarter combat. Yeah, I was looking for a beautiful, nice, long slab of rata. And you know when you're doing a quest in a game at the end and you see it shining in all its greatness? That's when I saw this piece of timber in the corner. I was like, there it is. That's the piece I need. And then I asked the guy, how much for their piece in the corner? He goes, oh, I didn't really know what it is. And I was like, he doesn't know. And he goes, oh, I'll sell it to you for 100. And then I went, and in my mind I was going, because I know the true value of their timber that I was trying to get. And I just said, oh, wow, that's a bit expensive, eh? And I went, you know what? I'll take it. Get yourself a mean pie, brother, and a drink. Okay, I will do that and we'll eat it on stream. And thank you very much for the $10, my bro. Yeah, so I had the money, I gave it to him, got the timber, and I walked away with an $800 piece of timber that I paid $100 for. Then we carved the taiaha, and we made 5k. So yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, so I was like, so yes, knowing the value of the wood is very good. Thunden, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. The uncle laugh, that's my evil henchman laugh. Whenever my wife asks me to do something, I'm like, yes, master. Just to be an asshole. Yes, I do it all the time. Yes, master. And she's like, shut up. Talk about a hustle, about it. Yeah, bro. You know you gotta take those kind of wins when you can. But yeah, we cracked it. So, Jet. They do the mahi and get it done, eh? But they just love. Also, can I just say, SKT1 Galio? I cannot wait for that skin. I cannot wait for the Galio skin. Call a porn star move. Bro, I remember that show, eh? Oh, it's so sad that the old guy passed away, though. He made that show. How did you get into wood carving, bro? Just picked up a... so every Friday, my bro, back in Kurakaupapa, my uncle would hold a class. So we had different classes every Friday, from Whakairo to weaving to cooking and other things. I went into the carving class with, just out of curiosity, pretty much. And I was like, it was uncle, so at the same time, you know, just seeing what it was about. I knew of, you know, wood carving or Whakairo, but I didn't do it myself. Never done it once in my life. And pretty much went into the class. So my dreams before pursuing this was to be a zookeeper or work in the art department at Blizzard. You know, dedicate my life to art and try and see if I can land a job at Blizzard. And then eventually that all went out the window when I started doing this. So I've been at it since I was 12. I'm now 34. Gotta head off. All good, my bro. You have a good day, and thank you for suggesting me to be as well. I've had a bad week. Laughing, thinking, hey, Lynchman. Alright. Grabs by the neck, no. Grabs by the jaw, no. Nah, that's what I'm here for, my bro. You know, I never know what's going on in any viewer's life, but if you know, if I can make it a good one here in this cheeky corner of the internet for you, then that is a W for me, as always. I just want to try and turn the stream, as I mentioned, into a cheeky corner of the internet for you guys to come and chill. If you wanna, you know, if you ever feel like you're alone and you got no one to talk to, right here's where you can do it. No one will judge you for it, not even me. I'm like, why would I do that anyway? It makes no sense. But yeah, just want to genuinely let you know, my brother, all good. Have a reset. Wait for the next day. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Maybe change the house around in terms of your scenery too, to make it even more fresher. Now step by step, eh? Remember, like I always say, we are not Wolverine. We cannot heal or get over the things overnight. I mean, he sinks about 2 bottles of whiskey. Don't do that. We can't heal as fast as him, is what I'm saying. Although I wish I had the hairy riz that Mr. Hugh Jackman has. As a hairy man myself. But yeah, brother. Hey, much love to you, man. Always. Always, my bro. And that goes to everyone else in the chat too. Not only Twitch, but YouTube and also Kick too. I watched the Moana live. Yeah, I saw that too. I'm excited. I'm excited to see it. My girl's lit up. And the girl's from Australia, eh? I remember when she got picked for it. She looks neat. Not a fan of how small Maui is. I won't lie, even though she's, you know, G.I. Dwayne. Mr. G.I. Dwayne himself. But, yeah, we'll see how the movie is. Definitely. Malik! I appreciate you, my brother. Fist bumper. Tough times never last. Only tough people. You know, it took me about 2 years to understand that meme when I started streaming. When everyone used to do that, I was like, why do you sound like you're gargling on cum right now? I was really oblivious to internet memes and all that. So, oh, you sound silly. But now I understand, 5 years later. It took a while, but we got there. Muy bad, muy bad. More than a KDT, how are you, my friend? Yeah, we decided to round this mouth. Changed my mind. Ew, did someone text me? I never get texts. No, it wasn't. It was Uber. No, actually, the one I eat a pie and a drink on stream here. I'm in a calorie deficit right now. I just hit 137 kgs this morning. From 145. We are going for 20 before the end of the year. I reckon I can do it. My brother-in-law's wedding in Jan. Yeah, so we just molded this, or we rounded it, so that gave us more room in here, which is good. So we just got to clean it up now. But yeah, around might have to finish up a bit early today, Chad, just because we got parent-teacher interviews today. My partner's saying I need to get back into the gym, turning into a string bean again. Wow, so skinny, bro. If you're skinny, bro, you got the best thing to do ever. You could literally get a bucket of chicken for yourself, a big KFC family meal, and not feel guilty. If I do that, it goes straight to my ass or my hips. I'm like, damn. But it was good though. That's always the hard part for me to lose, is the ass. Beautiful. Yeah, good call, Chad. Good call around it. This side's going to be harder to clean though because of the grain. So along here, I don't know if you can see it, but that white strain there, that white strain of grain here is when it fully changes. I need 4k calories a day, gym 3 or 4 times a week. Put on a kilo a month. You get to put on a kilo? I'll donate you mine if I could. My uncle's trying to tempt me back into powerlifting, but I'm like, nah, I'm good. I'd rather do jiu-jitsu. How long does it roughly take to complete a piece like this? And do you sell them? Like roughly offline, I would have been staining it, or still would have been stained by now. Online it does take a little bit longer. And that's because of me though, because I genuinely like to conversate while I'm carving as well. Yeah, definitely all me. It's you're just having a yarn. And it does cut down product time a bit. But at the end of the day I still enjoy having a yarn with everyone. Okay. So I'm gonna have to turn him around too. Give me some of that Islander strength. Because they were doing so when my daughter had jiu-jitsu yesterday, they had deadlift days, and my uncle goes, "I know you looking. This is your favourite lift." It's like, nah, I'm all good. I said, "Come on, I know you want to do it." It's like, yeah, but nah. Deadlift day was my favourite. I was out the gate back then, so we'd go up to like 240 kgs, and then we'd drop back down and go back up till we couldn't pick it up no more. Just until the body said nah. That's how out the gate we used to be with it. These days I'm like, nah, I'm good. I've done my dash with powerlifting. Yeah, drop setting deadlifts. That's it, eh? Drop sets. But that plus keto, bro. Dropping weight like nothing. Like ridiculously dropping weight very fast. You know who's gang? Yeah, of course I know who's gang is. That's the brother. Me and him still got to do a collab. It's just a bit of timing for us. That's all, bro. I didn't even know you couldn't see what I was doing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's a crack up, eh? Half a day, all the way from Guam. Kia ora. One of the bros from the Twitch chat used to live in Guam. I don't think he's here today though, he might be busy. He stays in America now. Or he's gone back to America, I think. Like we want to move to New Zealand. Yeah, he's a crack up dude, man. He's a very crack up fella. I like the police chase video, that still gets me in the fits. We're chasing the criminal of thick build. It looks like he gets no girls. He's running out of breath. He's doing. Oh, he's eating me. He's eating me. The creativity him and Terrell have, man, unmatched, bro. And then you got like Jimmy Jackson as well, bro. He's crack up too. Do you watch the Cougar Boys? Yeah, bro, I remember the Cougar Boys. They were funny, bro. They all kind of went their separate ways, eh? It's cool that Terrell's still going though. Hope it's something you were struggling. Yeah. Those are funny videos, bro. Shit, just need to get this from this angle. Sorry you can't really see what I'm up to. Yeah, I'd be keen to, like, hopefully if I'm in Auckland one day, just go and do some skits with them for some laughs. That'll be cool. Alright. Do you know Tiko? No, my bro. Chad, I saw that Jason Momoa is making a new program called Nomad. I want to try and get in on it. Didn't know I could have got on bloody Chief of War. Oh well. Yeah, bro, that new Nomad program looks like it could be fun, bro. If I can get in on that somehow, I will be keen. So those that don't know, it's gonna be like a bikie gang kind of program. Right. Okay. Let's clean this up now. One thing I'm contemplating doing is trying to do Dremel designs, eh? There's some designs that can only be done with a Dremel. And I reckon I could do it with a chisel. It's a bit of a that guy one. Nomad be a cool watch, yeah, bro. And he's doing it with a guy from Sons of Anarchy. Okay, there we go. All good. Oh my days. Man, this water's quite bad on this side, eh? Hey, Brox, hope you're doing well, brother. Hey, what's up, my brethren? I'm doing good today, my brother. Hope you are too. Hope you are too. Just a bit of a short one today, my brother. I do apologise. I've got our parent-teacher interviews today. Me and my wife. So I'm looking forward to that. That out of the way, and then what do we have today? Today is Friday. We've got family walk today. Go for a walk as a fams. Get our steps in. And we should be good. Let me just draw this up, chat, and then we'll show you what we've got done. Yeah. Don't forget as well, chat, exclamation mark awards. It'll take you to the streamer awards page. You can vote for me or someone else in all the categories. I ended up voting for FaZe Clan for best org. I think as an org themselves, they've done really, really amazing. I was looking at AMP, but then I decided, you know, as a group, they haven't really done much. So that was my reasonings why I chose FaZe for that option, or for that category. Oi, okay. It's kind of given us more like wiggle room too for the face, since it's not limited by that kind of how we had that square mouth. So it's all rounded off now. Yeah, so it's not so limited anymore for us to basically move around, see what we want to do, see what we can do. How does it look from your guys' angle? So you can see it changes quite a bit, eh? Compared to what we did. Let me know what you guys think. I just got flamed for voting for Face Clean. He said, Face Clean, what a clown, -1 follow, fat ass motherfucker. And I just messaged him back saying, and the world moves on. What a salty little beach. I just downloaded Oblivion Remaster. Oi, nice. Good. This machinery a few doors down is vibrating my damn house. Oh, is someone doing like work on the building? Okay. Well, I think that's that. There's nothing more we need to do to this. Like, genuinely? What kind of wood is that? This is rata, my brother. Just doing our final touches on this before we leave it alone. Can't wait to play. Have you not jammed it yet, my bro? Bro, just have fun with it, bro. It's a good game. Obviously with Oblivion, yeah, it's one of those games that I spent a lot of hours on as a young fella. Back in the day. Oh, Xbox, yeah, bro. Bro, this guy's really mad I voted for FaZe. Oh well. Cheers, Wub Gaming. Thank you, brother. How are you though, my bro? You doing good today? Hope all is well with you, my brother. One moment, just seeing if we're on the right track. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So now, I think we can get rid of that now. That little block there. Get rid of that, and then we can clean up in this. Clean up that little gap there. Get that all out, and I think we should be good. All right. What is the time? What is the time? US Forces, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Gotta make sure I bloody take a photo, eh? Get the photo in. Then we should be good. How are you, US Forces? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. I think our YouTube's gone a bit quiet. How are we doing, Fano? Hello? And then we also got to clean the outside of it as well. Hey, there he is. My brother. Hope you're doing good, my bro. Hope everything's all good in your neck of the woods as well, brother. No matter what it may be. Looking after yourself as well. We've just been chipping away at this piece, my bro, and we were kind of ready for designing, and then I made a slight change. Sometimes, bro, when I'm carving, bro, I might change my mind at a moment in terms of like maybe the mold or something. Then I might just say, oh, I want to change it. So that's kind of the moment we had just a little bit earlier. I'm glad we changed it. There we go. Cut that bit off. Now we got to clean up in there too. Hello, gorilla. Gorilla. Okay. Let's clean this up and then we should be good. How are you, Gorilla? And once again, thank you very much, US Forces, for the Optimus Prime as well. Hope you all have been enjoying the stream today. As I did mention, it is going to be a bit of a short one. So we'll try and get that out the way. Get this out the way and then we should be good. Oh yeah, I'm pretty solid today. Got a busy day today, just with the kids and my wife. My eldest has some parent-teacher interviews today. So, yeah, I always get bloody nervous for those. We'll see how we go. Go. Goop, goop, goop. Okay, come on. Oh, Shay Mousy, kia ora. Thank you very much for the aroha. Also, thank you to Sheesh Balls for the Optimus, or for the Tier 1, so Optimus Prime, sorry, for 4 months. Kia ora, kia ora. Appreciate you voting as well. Sorry I haven't really been pushing voting today. I've been a bit locked in with this right now. Yeah, man's a bit locked in with this. Seeing busy too. I've been preparing to drive up to the East Coast for the US. Oh, Thanksgiving. Wait, is Thanksgiving different to Christmas? Sorry, I live outside the US, so I'm not really too sure. There it is. So the only thing left we have to do is clean the outsides. The outsides is all we have to do now. And then it's good. And then we can start designing it, or start thinking about what design I'm going to do. Yeah, we've got to start thinking about that now. What design to run. And then I feel like designing phase won't take long. Because I'm pretty keen to run it, eh? Hey, Craig. How are you, my brother? Yeah, that's all we have left to do, chat. Clean the outsides. Kind of like national holiday that's usually about a month before Christmas. Oh, okay. Shining with the fire, we got totems. Sorry, Chad, I'm just brainstorming a design we could do. Not sure what though. You got the Crocs on sports mode? They're on relax right now. They're on relax. They're relaxing right now.
type of silence. Take pull the thread cause they on me. TBS, I'm going on right now. Let's brought us back, we ain't going out yet. We're gonna keep playing, glasses round. You gotta keep playing. The game isn't over. Meet me in the
I'm just straight winging what I'm doing right now. We'll see, we'll see.
from the grave, we got some scores to settle. I'ma keep it 100, you ain't on my level. I'ma climb up to the top, you stuck in sunken temple. This is not AI, I just found my temple. I got torrents in the back and I got O's up in the front. Yeah, we be mobbing at a whole grandma, the goat is going up. I got some notice, black and purple, what you need, I got a potion. She in love with all the motion, cause she know that I'm West Torrent. You gotta keep playing, the game isn't over. Meet me in the
Usually improvise your designs. Normally I just stick to all the traditional ones that we've done, or that we do. This is me doing a little bit of improvising, I won't lie. But yeah, I gotta cook on the design a little bit longer and see what will run. So pretty much run that and see how we go. Yeah, I'm not too sure on the design just yet, like which one we're gonna do. So we'll kind of cook on it for a little bit for the day. Yeah, hard one, man, because I've got so many designs that I'd like to do. I know on one side I want to do 2 designs. It's just a matter of trying to find that you know, that fine line in between, where we can make sure it molds in nicely with both. So the 2 designs can kind of, you know, complement each other. It's just a matter of trying to find that middle ground. Oh, my bro got Twitch partner. Nice. W. He told me he applied for it too. Good on him. Yeah. Hey, what up, Tree? There we go. So that's all we've done there. And the light a bit more, so we ended up rounding that mouth out. Didn't keep it so square. All we have to do now is clean up right around. Clean up everything right around this. And then we'll be good, okay? But that does bring us to the end of the stream, whānau. I am going to call it there. I've got to get ready for parent-teacher interviews. I hope you all enjoyed the stream today. Thank you very much for the support as usual on Twitch, YouTube and Kick as well. That is going to be me. Thank you for the gifteds today, or the resubs too on Twitch. Thank you for the dono on YouTube, and for the 20 bomb on Kick as well from the brother Nikachu. That is going to be me. I do apologize for finishing earlier than usual, but I've got parent things to think about now. But yeah, I'm going to have to love and leave you. Have a good day. Appreciate you all. Crank Tune, good to see you, brother. Good to see you. I do apologize, I gotta head out. I'll try and we'll try and get a stream in this evening, okay? That was a fucking cat. Sounded like a kid. Yeah, I'll see you all maybe this evening, eh? We'll run a gaming stream tonight. It'll probably be Ark Raiders or something else. I am still in a mood to play Galio. Yeah, maybe League of Legends. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Kind of going with the flow right now. But for now, yeah, GG's. Good to see everyone. Yo, Master, how much people we got here in Kick? We've got to look for someone to raid on. I'm probably going to raid the bro Weed Elf. It's his first Twitch partner stream. So let's raid the bro. 11. Holy shit, we got 11 people on Kick. Goddamn. Appreciate yous, Fano. Okay, Fano, that is going to be me. I'm sending Twitch off to go and see Weed Elf. It's one of my boys I met through Only Fangs. Not the teeth, not the Only Fans. Only Fangs, you know, teeth. But for now, GG's. Have a good one. Go show some love to my boy Weed Elf. YouTube, you have a good day too. And appreciate everyone that has voted too. Ka kite. Yo, Kiko, I have to go inside and raid, okay?